Welcome to Unconventionally Python. This presentation is about the window as an object of the graphics.py library. In this unit, we will examine the area of the window called the canvas, which is the area on which we place and manipulate objects. The Python statement or command that you see here creates a window as the one that you see now on the screen. That same statement creates a title bar which contains easy_py as a title, and it also creates a minimize and a close window buttons. Below the title, the system creates the canvas, the yellowish surface, which is 500 by 300 pixels in our example. The 500 pixels indicate the horizontal size of the window, while the 300 pixels is the vertical one. Let's pay closer attention to the canvas area of the window. It is important to understand the window pixel size and that we refer to the horizontal length as the x-axis and to the vertical one as the y-axis. The significance of the x and y-axis stems from the fact that when we place an object on the canvas, the object's location is determined by a spot on the canvas, which is the intersection of x and y values. In our example, the canvas starts at the upper left corner point, a spot whose x is 0 and y is 0, and ends at the low right corner point, a spot whose values are x is 500 and y is 300. If we want, for example, to place a point on the canvas near the upper right corner, let's assume here, we have to specify its location by providing the x and y coordinates, and that will be x is 400 and y is 75, assuming that x 400 is somewhere here, that this is the 400, and that y75 is here. So 75, let's assume, is here. Similarly, to place a point at the center of the canvas of our window, the spot's location would be x 250, so x, here 250, which is the half of the 500, and y will be somewhere here, which is 150, which is the half of the 300. Consequently, in order to place an object at the upper left corner, x will be 0 and y will be 0. In the upper right corner, x will be 500 and y will be 0. At the low left corner, x will be 0 and y will be 300. In the low right corner, x will be 500 and y will be 300. This is the end of this unit. Please practice and check your understanding by doing the associated exercises. Thank you for watching.